Do the part. The part there. That's it. Little bit. Do this side a little bit more.
Which side?
This side.
This side.
The COVID.
Nah. COVID long one.
It's still about. It's not done.
Mine.
Go all over it with the 3.
3.
Yeah. Oh, what you give me, Daddy? Are you alright?
I love you for.
Not my you.
Bro, love up.
Alright.
Thing is, you know what?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, go back to you.
2.
Yeah. Go get that small 2. 2 now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
That comes up, bro. Be back.
Yes, you would consider all over.
Get that red.
One?
Yeah. Do 1 now. Yeah. What?
Whoa.
Don't look at me, look at the hair in it. So that crown be out properly as well. Don't mess it up, bro. It sticks out there. Double crown. Double crown, bro. Yeah.
Double crown. You don't have hair in your crown.
I know. Is that a good thing?
No.
Right.
Is your bald?
So,
You get a bald fade.
I know. Right. Turn that into 1. Clean me up as well, man, please.
I am
clean
clean.
Cuss me, here. Clean it. Cuss me, chin. Instead of cleaning it, you're pouring more shit on it, bro. Cussing. Yeah, pass me.
Then how am I meant to clean it?
Take it off this thing, bro. Cuss me.
That's what I was doing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put a bit of that on.
Go on, hurry up, man.
Not a bit of hair.
Hurry up, bro. Get a great one. Go half. Half is there and then go half. Go. Go blend the hair in it. Now you have to blend the line.
Do you want a foil shaver?
Is it done? The blending is done.
No, blending not done, but I'm just
Do
saying.
the blending first, innit?
Yeah, but you want foil after or no?
I will do it after. Blending. I'm looking them. Put 1 on it. Put 1 back on it. 1.
What?
1 here, 1. Where is 1?
First half.
Where is 1?
One go.
Where
Oh,
is
grade 1.
What are you doing, bro? Don't mess my hair today, bro. I'm taking my missus out. Yeah. No, I can feel now the hair is going. So you can hear as well. That's doing nothing, bro. You're just going over and now. That's again you're doing over and over again, bro. You can't hear it, bro. Can you
Yeah, open.
Now you're gonna take all your life like that, doing it, it's not gonna blend through. So one or one now.
1 hour.
Alright, do down one and do the same thing. Do down one. Alright, do down one there and then use it. Don't use it this way now, use it this way.
Yeah.
Okay? So yeah, like that.
Yeah.
This way. You know where the thing is.
Yeah.
Don't worry, it's not gonna catch us, but do a little bit hard. Take the half and do it with the half. Do the same thing. You do the corner. No. Making it like a moon. Do it this way, yeah. That's it. What do you think? Finish it?
No, still blending.
Blend it and net.
What can you do?
Yeah. Tell me what you need doing then I'll tell you. Right. Yeah, put this now. It's down one or one knot, that's one knot.
One half.
Do one. Great one. That's one and a half there. Let me out. Do it this way.
Yeah, you got.
No. Yeah, good job. Good job. Yeah. Now take off. Was on one or one off. One and a half. One. Take it out. Put down half. Do the half and shoot. Half. Do the 0.2.
0.2.
0.2. You know how to do that, yeah? Yeah. Half open, half close. Okay. Now, do the other way. There. Watch the top. Watch the top. Yeah. Look good though. There's need more doing.
That's alright.
Look good.
Yeah.
We're going to blend the, sideburn.
Weird.
Yeah. Just blend it in and that's it.
One.
Half. Go half. You know how to do that. Yeah. Yeah. Do on this side. Yeah. Right now, go get the white two. You can use that here. You can see that
I
right
like
there?
this one, I hate this one. I'm going on properly.
So, use that. Can see that part there?
Yeah.
Use it there like that. No, like that all the way. Yeah, this way. That's it. Leave it. That's it. Leave it. Now print this out and use it here. That way I told you. Not gonna put more problem. That's it. Leave it. You do on the back part. Here. From this side to that side. All the way around. Opposite side like that. Yeah. That's on the back part. That's on the back part. Put the finger on that thing. Put your finger on your thing. It's gonna come out. Yeah. Can you do it?
Yeah.
And do it this side. Couldn't do it. See that dark part there?
Yeah.
Finish it off though. Oh no, those are two here. You see that dark there? Blend that with the bark. Use it a little more than this one. Long and more. Lot and more. More. Use it now. Good? Look good?
Yeah.
No? You don't want it?
Yeah.
Decent?
Decent.
Or clean it? Clean your food. Yeah. You got all the hairs up? You know all these hairs, little and everything?
Yeah.
You know it's all up?
Yeah.
Alright, in the machine. Right. Turn it around so they can see what you're doing. Hey. Go out the other way. Put it back.